What's going on? What's going on? Judd Burdon here from Asphalt Kingdom. Today we're going to talk about 3 reasons why people generally don't start an asphalt seal coating business. All right, before we get started, make sure to click that ringing bell notification so every time we push out content, you're notified, and subscribe to the button. You know the drill. Looking forward to pushing out content to you constantly to help bring more value to you and your business and your life. All right, 3 reasons why people don't start an asphalt seal coating business. First reason is financial. Most people don't get started because they don't have the finances to be able to start their very own asphalt seal coating business. And that is something, let me tell you, that a lot of people fear way too much. You don't have to have $10,000 or $15,000 or $20,000 to get started. You can literally get started for under a few $1,000s in the asphalt seal coating business world. And let me tell you, you can get started with the crack repair side of the business first, where you go out and solve the #1 most in-demand asphalt maintenance service that exists in our industry, and it's asphalt crack repair. So you can get started for under a few grand, enough supplies and the equipment, the machine like the RY10 Pro, that allows you to seal cracks at walking speed and earn $1 a linear foot. Your cost only runs roughly about 12 to 15 cents a linear foot. So every step that you take, you make 85 cents. On a full pallet of crack filler that only costs you about $1,800, you can literally yield around $12,000 in profit. And it's in demand as well. Let me tell you, commercial property owners, you have hotels, you have golf courses, private airports, commercial plazas, car washes, gas stations. They have asphalt cracks, and you can now provide an asphalt crack repair business to solve those problems and yield great returns. Imagine you went out to a commercial parking lot right now and you spoke to the facility manager, property owner, or the general manager of the property, and you said, hey, listen, we're a specialist in sealing cracks and making sure that asphalt cracks are sealed up so that water doesn't get in, erode the foundation, causing expensive potholes and depressions. And what we'll do is make sure those are sealed up so that we protect your pavement asset for years to come. And you can provide a quote based upon $1 a linear foot, and you're good to go. Again, you can start for under a few grand. If you don't have the $3,000, look at financing solutions. PayPal offers a great financing solution, usually with immediate approval for a certain amount. So you can go through PayPal as well. So when you're shopping on our website, you can literally check out through PayPal and choose the financing option to get started. But the key is to get started. Once you start, then you get going. There's a great old saying that a buddy of mine used to say, you don't have to be great to get started, but you have to start to be great. So let's get started. The second reason why a lot of people don't get started is because they don't have the business framework that they need to follow, like the marketing templates, the brochures, the proposal templates. They don't have the sales guides. They don't have the ability to actually know the framework around how to quote properly. And let me tell you, at our company, in our resource section, you can find an enormous amount of solutions that are plug-and-play solutions that give you the framework that you need. We even have a build your own business course. It's called the BYOBB, 9 chapters, 9 parts, and you can't go wrong. You'll learn tons of stuff in there. You should sign up to that. You can click the link below to get in there as well. In regards to the third piece, the reason why generally people won't start is, let's say they're looking to be part-time in this business and they think that they might not be able to do it part-time and really do it well, right? They might have a full-time job and they might be a weekend warrior wanting to go out. Let me tell you, don't overthink this. Again, the key is to get started. Don't wait around sitting there pondering and thinking about it and then letting it turn into mush. You just need to start. Walk over to the closest big commercial, small commercial plaza or gas station or car wash, or speak to somebody who is the responsible for a golf course, and just go up to them and say, hey, listen, I'm getting into the business of asphalt maintenance and I'm going to start a seal coating business. And what we're going to do is start out with just crack repair, the #1 most in-demand repair in the industry. And we're going to seal up those cracks for you and make sure we're protecting your pavement asset for years to come, and preventing that water from getting in and causing unsafe potholes and further damage, etc. Right? Key is to just get out and get going. If you pitch that, if you say that and bring that value and solve those problems, I can guarantee that you're probably going to land the job. You'll probably convert 25% of the people that you speak to. I've been in this industry for 22 years, and let me tell you, if you're solving problems and delivering value, you can close deals. And once you've closed deals, you can now make the investment into the equipment that you need to get started. Once you get started in the seal coating business with just crack repair, what you can do is you can move from crack repair and then start moving into seal coating, where you'll spray black sealer across the asphalt, protecting it from the elements and making sure that you're enhancing its curb appeal, making it look matte black, getting ready for the third part of your growth, which is now moving into asphalt line striping. Asphalt line striping is where you're going to put down nice crisp lines, making that parking lot look great again. And what you'll be able to do is make sure that the traffic is flowing right, keeping the parking lot safe, and keeping property owners and managers happy about their pavement assets. I hope this video has been helpful to you today. Please do comment below with any questions at all that you have, and make sure to check out the captions below. We do have some links and resources down below that will provide you with more insights on how to scale your asphalt seal coating business. Again, click subscribe, click that ringing bell notification. Let's go. It's time to win, everybody.